Hey everyone, this is Thomas Wild, contributing writer for GeekWire.com. We're back again with another unboxing video. This time it's the Xbox Series X, the high-ticket version of the Series S, the one with the disk drive. Let's take a look. The first thing you notice when you compare the two units, just by picking them up, is that the Series X is extraordinarily dense for its size. It's not a heavy thing, but it's much heavier than the Series S. You'll notice where all that extra technology is the moment you lay eyes on one. It's also coming out of the box with the new Power Your Dream slogan featuring the Master Chief, which rings a little hollow now that Halo Infinite isn't a launch title, but we know Halo's going to be there eventually. You do most of your setup using an Xbox app that you can download on a mobile device, and it Bluetooths into the new Xbox pretty much there on the spot. It's surprisingly user-friendly. I did it off camera a little while ago before I filmed this with the Series S. One thing I appreciated right off the bat about the Series X as opposed to an Xbox One is that it's got a much firmer feeling ejection and power switch up front than the Xbox One does. I think every Xbox One owner knows how sensitive that power and eject button is. It has the same arrangement of ports on the back that the Series S does, with a Ethernet port, two USB slots, HDMI out, then a port for the expansion bay. But there was one surprise when we got this open that I hadn't heard of in any of the early coverage. It's got a slot in the back for a Kensington Lock, which is a security device used to basically fasten it to whoever happens to be using it. It still has one controller. The controller is still running on battery straight out the gate. It's not rechargeable like a Joy-Con or the DualShock 4, or I suppose the upcoming DualShock 5. Which is kind of this... It's probably the most backwards thing about modern Xbox, that they refuse to invest in rechargeable straight out of the box. It feels weirdly backwards. It also doesn't have the giant Xbox power brick that's been a hallmark the last couple of units, which is kind of interesting, but does mean the power cord is kind of short. And just for fun, I put the Series S unit on top of it. It's kind of stark contrast here, especially when you hold the two of them side by side. The Series S feels like a cable box, and the Series X feels like a subwoofer. Other than that, you're looking at two remarkably similar compatible projects. If you even the controllers are the same, it's all under the hood. I'll admit that I was expecting the Series X to have a little couple of extra bells and whistles over the Series S, such as, like I said, a rechargeable batteries in the controller, or a similar lack of other items, but I guess I shouldn't have, knowing what I knew going into this. They're pretty much the same hardware, with just the Series S is a little bit different, a little bit less powerful, much less hard drive space. The Series X has a lot more horsepower, and you can definitely feel it if you put the two of them side by side, or especially if you pick one up.